Phil again. As I was inspecting my garden today, I realized that there was some strong wind last night, and that is not great for some of my plants. So I'll show you what happened to my sweet peas. So here I have sugar snap peas, and as you can see, because of the wind, the stalk ended up breaking. So that means, well, this plant is pretty much done. When the stalk breaks, you can't really expect more stuff to grow. I have a lot like that, so that tells me the way I trellis these is really not great. Next year I need to figure out a better way to grow them. So I'll research that. Once I figure it out, I'll implement it, but right now I'm really not happy with that. I think most of my plants are pretty much dead right now, or if they're not, they won't be producing that much. I'll keep trying to grow them anyway. As you can see, I'm starting to have some pods. Um, yeah, I'm not too happy right now. I hope some from the other row seem to have survived better. So I guess that's one thing I have to think about when I grow them, is the direction of the wind, so that they get pushed against whatever is holding them rather than being pushed away from it. So you can see this one has grown true and up, and this one's not that bad. I guess it must have been pushed against it, but the rest, they just snapped. So hopefully I'll figure out something better next year. Kind of disappointed with that so far, but I can still grow more if I want. It's still early in the season, and you can plant more in August once the hot months have gone by. But yeah, most of them are probably not going to survive. So I'm sort of disappointed there. At least I still have beans growing there, so that's going to be sort of a consolation. But sugar snaps are the best, so kind of sad. That's it, guys, for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I sure did not. But oh well, I'll show you the update later on once I figure out if the plants are going to survive or not. In the meantime, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time for another gardening videos. Ciao, guys.